Fresh, bright, delicious. Today we're making fresh basil tomato chickpea bake, a simple and flavorful meal filled with familiar ingredients. You'll need chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, onion, garlic, fresh basil, and mozzarella. Add the chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, and diced onion to the baking dish. Add the garlic, oregano, olive oil, salt, and pepper, then gently mix everything together. Don't let herbs and spices intimidate you. Check out the Flavor First guide using the link below. Top with mozzarella, then bake until the tomatoes are tender and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Finish with fresh basil for a bright burst of flavor. Serve and enjoy. Simple ingredients come together in this fresh and flavorful chickpea bake. The links for today's recipe, the Flavor First guide, and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.